Hello, Facebook world. How are you doing, you guys? We are live right here. We are three little goofballs, 1, 2, and 3. My name is Tracey Bellion, and I'm with Tracey's Fancy, and we have been in Kentucky working on the baby nursery for this prego mama right here, Miss Kelsey Collins, and we are calling it the Collins Baby Nursery because the baby's name's a secret. It starts with an M though, we can tell you that. We are also live on Instagram right over here. So hello Instagram. We decided we would let you follow along today. I've never gone live on Instagram before, but I have 2 hands today. Actually I have 6 hands. 6 hands today, so we thought we would try it out. Anyway, Facebook, we are gonna let you into the baby nursery that we've been working on since we didn't really get started till yesterday morning, right?
Afternoon, it was like 1 o'clock.
Yesterday in the afternoon.
We shopped first.
I am from San Antonio, Texas, and this is my very lifelong good friend, Paige McClanahan, and her daughter, Kelsey, and I flew in to put this nursery together. We've been working on it for quite some time. Oh, good, we've got some people on now. Good, hi, Bobby, hi, Melissa, and
too.
Instagram. Hello, you guys. I've never, ever done Instagram Live, so this is so...
There's waves.
So exciting. Hello, hello, everyone. Y'all bear with us. I'm on a selfie stick here, so it wasn't, so I could include all of us here. Anyway, I would love for you guys, if you're on Facebook, to follow me on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, if you follow me on Facebook, I would love that so much. Visit my website at traceysfancy.com. And I am, what was I saying? We worked on this nursery for off and on for a few months. Kelsey's put a lot of time and effort into it on Pinterest and shared some ideas with me. And we kind of did this nursery virtually ahead of time. I gave them paint colors to have their walls painted in before I got here. I gave them links for things like sheets and rugs, and she had already ordered her chair. Am I missing anything? We had plans for a dresser that they already had, so we decided on paint colors, and she ordered her Dixie Belle paints. I'm a Dixie Belle brand ambassador, and she ordered the paints ahead of time. They arrived yesterday by FedEx. Woohoo! Thank you, FedEx. So, hello, Betty. Is Grandma on here yet?
Grandma who?
Her grandma,
yes.
which will be
Joanne was on there.
Which will be baby's great grandma. Did you see her?
Yes, she was the first one.
Oh, good.
On Facebook, yes.
Joanne. I call her mom, or Joanne. Hello, Joanne. We wish you could be here. Instead, you were camping, right? So anyway, we're done, and it is so cool. I've already photographed it. I will be doing a blog on it with a lot of details. I will be posting on Facebook and Instagram in my little squares. And we got great photos. I'm not real sure how the lighting is going to be for y'all because I don't have my light kit here. But we're gonna do this. Ready? We're gonna turn it around. We're gonna take you on a little view. So we're gonna do it. We're standing in the hall from the door. And we only have the light coming in from the window. So are you ready? Drum roll, please. Here we go. This is the view from the door. Whoop, whoop. Okay, this is the view from the door. You've got the sign to the left in the nursery and the bear rug that's on the floor. And here we go. You ready for this? This is the best part. Give you a little sneak peek. Here we go. What do you see? Remember, we're going with the woodland design. Here we go. From little seeds grow mighty trees. Look at this. Give me some love. Let me see some love, you guys. Do y'all love it? We painted this wall yesterday. And I am so happy with it. It almost looks like a rainforest. I'm gonna take you up close. Thank you guys. Thank you, Christine. Thank you, Sandy. Look at this, y'all. I did hi Tibby. I did a whitewash over a charcoal gray wall that they had already painted for me. And I just kept washing it. I did several layers of paint in a white and kind of a tan. And we let it drip all the way to the bottom. I did it extra white behind the crib. So let me turn this around here, back it up. I did extra white. You can see where it goes from a little bit darker behind the trees to extra white behind the crib because we knew that we were going to do our lettering in black. And then that takes us over to another darker spot where we've got another woodland tree over there.
Tracey.
That's okay.
Help me.
That's all right.
Mom, don't text me during this.
Paige is getting sassy with her mama. Okay, so let me show you what else, guys. I'm going to turn you around here. Here we've got the window. We've got a bear growth chart that I put a bear head on. I got that from Hobby Lobby. I love that so much. And straight on across, and then look who's here. We got the baby mama. That's Kelsey. Kelsey in her belly. Let us see the baby. Yay.
Belly.
Yay. She was here every step of the way, you guys. We worked her so hard yesterday. And then y'all check out this beauty.
Wait.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Kelsey, Paige, you want to go around me to this side?
Ready?
There we go. All right, we're having technical difficulties here. So let me tell you a little bit about this dresser, y'all. The dresser was one of those Mexican style, very raw wood pieces. And it was Clint's before. And so we painted that in Tree Frog Green, which is a Dixie Belle color, and we used a black glaze on it, and it's absolutely gorgeous up close. Kelsey, will you turn the light on in the room? I'm going to turn the light on. And then y'all know that Paige and I made this over at her house. I was inspired by Dotson Designs, and for a fireplace screen cover that she'd done, we did that. We painted the letter in the same color in Tree Frog Green, and we did a black glaze on that. You can kind of see that there. So I'm going to take you down to some close-ups of this dresser so that you can see how gorgeous the paint color is. It becomes, from a super vivid green, it becomes very emerald. And you can see in the cracks and crevices all of the black wax that we left in there. I'm going to go around to the side of the dresser where you can see it really well there too. Isn't that a gorgeous finish, y'all? Look at that. Look at the dark black up in the crevices. I think it is so stunning. So I really, really, really appreciate Kelsey trusting me with that color because it was pretty vivid. Now we did, I'm going to go around this way. Back. It's okay, Kelsey, you're good. We want to see you, Kelsey. Turn sideways. We want to see your side. There we go. We went with this bedding right here is by Caden Lane, and it's got the beautiful trees in it. We had it monogrammed, and it got a little bit of blue on it on the way. Don't ask me about that. I'm a little unhappy with that. I had some tissue paper wrapped around it in my purse. And, okay, Kelsey, I'm going to go to your chair over there, and we'll talk to you for a minute. I'm going to check around. So I had some tissue paper wrapped around it in my purse, and it got wet from some cleaned out paintbrushes, and the tissue paper bled onto my Caden Lane blanket, and I was really kind of bummed. So anyway, okay, let's talk to Kelsey for just a second. I thank you guys so much. Y'all have been so, here, Grandma, get in here. Okay, y'all have been so supportive and have really made this super exciting. You know, we've been here working by ourselves in the room, and just knowing that you guys are waiting on us and y'all been so encouraging has made it something that we'll always remember. I mean, I remember doing my baby's nurseries, and if I would have known that a lot of people in the world were just as excited as I was for my social media is just a wonderful thing. It really is. So it's made it really exciting, I think, for Kelsey too. So let's turn it around and talk to Kelsey for just a second. And Kelsey, while we visit with you, I can let you know that we have lots of people on here. We have over 50 people here and on Instagram too. So Kelsey, you want to tell them where you've been all day? Where have you been today?
I've been at church. I work at Southland, so that's where I have been all day.
And it is your full-time job,
yes,
right?
Full-time job.
And you go back tonight?
I go back tonight for a third service.
So were you nervous while we were here painting the words on the wall?
No, I trust you.
How did you decide? How did you and Clint decide on this theme for the nursery?
I think being in Kentucky and just the nature of Kentucky, it's beautiful here. My favorite season is fall when all the colors change, and so my husband likes to hunt. It's a fun hobby for him. So having a little boy, I wanted something that connected with him and his dad. So yeah.
How did you decide on this thing? Because I know you were having a little bit of trouble.
Yes. We just wanted something meaningful to kind of speak over him, and knowing that he's going to grow up to be a strong man one day. And so that just kind of resonated with me.
Nice. Very nice. Well, I love you, and thank you for letting me be a part of this.
Thank you so much. It means so much.
And letting me visit with your mom nonstop.
Yes.
So she's a sweetheart, such a sweetheart. So thank you guys so much. I won't keep you. Like I said, I really appreciate y'all being here, and I hope you love it. Please share this post. I would love it if you'd share it. Like I said, we will have a blog coming with links to everything, and if you have any questions about anything that I've done, just shoot me a message, and I'm happy to share that with you. We took videos of the wall process, and I'm happy to share that with you guys too, and that'll come out in the blog soon. So anyway, one last look. I'm going to turn it around here. Let's do one last look before we close. Hold on. I'm going to walk right out of the room. Here we go.
Walking out of the room.
Walking right out of the room. Slowly. Bye-bye, Collins Nursery. Little Collins baby, may you grow big and strong. I love all of you guys. Like and share. And I love you more. Just kidding. Okay, y'all take care. We'll see y'all soon. Have a happy Sunday. It's my favorite day of the week. Happy Sunday. Recharge. Get ready. The week's here. We get another gift, another Monday, another week ahead. Thank you, Lord. Talk to you guys. Bye.